Which AI is actually more accurate when it comes to trading? ChatGPT or Max Plusbot? Today, we're putting both AIs head-to-head in a trading challenge. Each AI will receive the same chart screenshots and generate its own trading predictions. Every trade will be tracked and compared to see which AI delivers the best results. ChatGPT is one of the world's most advanced AI models, and Max Plusbot is built specifically for trading, market analysis, and signal generation. So the question is simple. Can ChatGPT compete with a specialized trading AI? Or will Max Plusbot prove why it's built for traders? There's only one way to find out. Let's start the challenge. Let's start the ChatGPT test. First, I'll take a screenshot of the pocket option chart and upload it to ChatGPT along with a prompt asking for market analysis and a trading signal. The chart has been uploaded. ChatGPT is analyzing the market. The analysis is complete. ChatGPT is suggesting a sell trade with a 1-minute expiration time. Let's place the trade and see the result. The trade is now active. The position has closed. Trade loss. The market moved against the prediction. Let's move on to the second chart. This time we'll switch to the AUD/NZD pair. I'll take a fresh screenshot and upload it to ChatGPT. The chart has been uploaded. ChatGPT is analyzing the market conditions. The analysis is complete. This time, ChatGPT is suggesting a buy trade with a 1-minute expiration time. Let's place the trade. The trade is now active. The position has closed. Trade loss. That's 2 consecutive losing trades. Let's give ChatGPT one final opportunity. I'll take another screenshot and upload it for analysis. The chart has been uploaded. ChatGPT is analyzing the market. The analysis is complete. This time, ChatGPT is suggesting a buy trade with a 1-minute expiration time. Let's place the trade. The trade is now active. The position has closed. Trade win. A successful prediction on the final attempt. That means ChatGPT finished this challenge with 1 winning trade and 2 losing trades. Out of 3 signals, only 1 was correct, giving ChatGPT an accuracy of approximately 33% in this test. Now it's time to move on to the next AI and see if it can deliver better results. Let's test Max Plusbot. First, I'll take a screenshot of the pocket option chart and upload it to Max Plusbot. The screenshot has been uploaded. The AI is now analyzing the chart and generating a trading signal. The analysis is complete. Max Plusbot is suggesting a sell trade with a 1-minute expiration time. Let's select the 1-minute time frame and place the trade. The trade is now active. The position has closed. Trade win. A great start for Max Plusbot. Let's move on to the second chart. I'll take another screenshot and upload it to Max Plusbot. The screenshot has been uploaded. The AI is analyzing the market conditions. The analysis is complete. Once again, Max Plusbot is suggesting a sell trade with a 1-minute expiration time. Let's place the trade and follow the signal. The trade is now active. The position has closed. Trade win, another successful result. And this trade closed with a very comfortable margin. Now let's move on to the final chart. This time we'll switch to the AED/CNY pair. I'll take a fresh screenshot and upload it to Max Plusbot. The screenshot has been uploaded. The AI is analyzing the chart. The analysis is complete. Max Plusbot is suggesting another sell trade with a 1-minute expiration time. Let's place the trade. The trade is now active. The position has closed. Trade win. Another successful result on a different currency pair. That means Max Plusbot finished this challenge with 3 winning trades out of 3. A perfect score. Out of 3 signals, all 3 predictions were correct, giving Max Plusbot an accuracy of 100% in this test. ChatGPT finished with 1 win and 2 losses, resulting in an accuracy of 33%. And Max Plusbot finished with 3 wins and 0 losses, achieving the highest accuracy in today's challenge. The winner of today's AI trading challenge is Max Plusbot. Max Plusbot was built specifically for trading analysis and signal generation, and in this challenge, that difference was clearly visible. 3 charts, 3 signals, 3 wins. If you'd like to test Max Plusbot for yourself, the bot is completely free to use. You can find the access link in the pinned comment and video description. You can also open Telegram and search for @TradeX Max Plusbot. Follow the access process, get access to the bot, and start testing the signals on your own charts. Thank you for watching this AI trading challenge. Let me know in the comments which AI you'd like to see tested next. Good luck, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.